5 bits
Yeah,
B.
5 is Sachin.
5 bits B. Yeah, 5 bits
5
B.
is Sachin.
Okay. 4 is F.
1 second, one by one you tell so that you don't get confused.
7 is A. Okay, I'll write in the chat only. 7 is A क्योंकि एक और लड़की वही है, ठीक है ना?
From 8 is C.
2 is A, 2 is A, and then I think 3 is G. 3 is G.
And
Yeah.
Adarsh 5G. 5G.
5G.
8G.
8F.
8F Ganguly.
9.
ऐसे कुछ भी मार दो नेगेटिव तो है नहीं
3 का क्या है? 3 का कुछ बोलो।
ट्राइस कर दो
When D लग रहा है?
पॉलिटिक्स में धोनी की है? नहीं धोनी तो एक्स्ट्रा डाल के रखा है।
डायरेक्ट के बाद
लिखे 5A. 5A.
5A.
5G
5G. 5G.
8 कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इमेज किसका आंसर?
1 D डाल दे.
Yeah, 8 is done, 6F done, 9 I done, but 1 7 how I don't know. From 1 means यहाँ से एक वहाँ से एक आना चाहिए ना?
I think 2 is A, 2 is A,
Yes, 2 is A, 2
and 7 is B, 7 is D.
अरे 8 C बोला था ना?
हाँ 8 C है अच्छा. I don't know. I think
6 7 3 is
7 is D.
No. D तो पक्का 7 D. D तो पक्का 7 है.
Okay. This Ankita 8 is either G or H.
Is it like one of the guys that does have the girls in this?
तो 7 ये वो जो लड़की है 7 ये मतलब वही थोड़ा आसपास लग रहा है 7 ये एंड B I think B is B is 6 क्योंकि आपका एक है तो 4 पकड़ा हुआ है B 6 एंड
Cricket or rugby?
Cry plus cat.
Cricket.
Cricket.
Rashmi cricket.
Yeah. I'm go again.
बाहुबली.
Man का
Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders.
Head and shoulders. यार पहले कलर करो head and shoulders.
हाँ spelling नाम हो गया? हाँ करेक्ट. Okay.
this is redder
नहीं what is
क्या है? मतलब किस चीज पे कौन
planet का it's a type of a planet. Form of a planet.
come on guys 10 seconds more
Discuss you guys are not discussing only.
क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं रेड और हर पे प्लैनेट क्या होता है रेड
मर्क्यूरी.
Head and shoulders.
Yeah. Next.
पैंटीन
Taco Bell. Yeah. Taco Bell.
okay write it in the message okay next two
Burger King.
B and hen eagle
It's a breed of a dog.
come on 10 seconds to go
Beagle.
eagle
Yeah, bigger.
Next. We are very quick. Pranod, come on.
okay next
Manali.
Manali.
okay next Ambika come on guys
Next door.
Indore.
Looks indoor.
okay next Ambika it's an Indian city name
Cow hair tie. Cow hair tie. Cow hair tie.
Guwahati.
हाँ.
okay
Mahabharat's character.
Vibhishan.
Duryodhan.
Duryodhan.
I can't type. Okay.
हाँ थोड़ा zoom करना.
Rasgulla.
रसगुल्ला.
Yeah, Rasgulla.
Rasgulla. Rashmi.
रसगुल्ला.
Finger. Is it like finger chip?
No.
Something returns. What returns?
Utna.
Booth returns.
Utna freedom.
done
Utna freedom.
Now, boot and then
stop
Utna freedom.
this is objective guys
Okay, what ends with Y now? Which of the two?
Maybe Y is there. Maybe Y for mathematics.
History.
History.
हिस्ट्री होगा स्टार वाई
Yeah, history.
Baburao.
Movie character name. Aburao.
Is it written? Farhan?
Yeah, Baburao.
Baburao की style है.
Gulab jamun.
Oh, very good. Thank you. Gulab jamun.
Which movie is this song from, and who are the lead actors?
అలా వైకుంఠపురంలో బట్ హీరో నేమ్ ఈజ్ అల్లు అర్జున్.
Okay, so for the video, can you guess the name of the character and his real name? I want his real name.
रोहन एटकिंसन his name is Rowan Atkinson. Mr. Bean.
तुझे भी नचाओगे रोज से नाच के दिखाओ तुझे भी नचाओगे रोज से नाच के दिखाओ अरे यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओगे रोज.
Okay,
So, Hokai team.
the first question on the audio. Which Bollywood actor is featured in this song?
Govinda.
Okay.
Can you, one more question, and can you guess the singer of the song?
Bruno Mars. No. Sonu Nigam of the song, of the background music.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay. Is ESN team ready for the question, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, start.
The audio, name the song and the name of the band.
Your 15 seconds starts now, guys.
Sorry, once again. Question, please.
Name of the song and the band. It's for
Sorry.
Stop. Pass the question. Hawkeye team.
Backstreet Boys.
One answer from Hawkeye team.
Backstreet Boys.
Okay.
Wrong.
Dan, Ruta done. Okay, give
Wrong
the
answer.
correct answer, Ruta.
So the name of the song is Dynamite and it's from BTS. Question is for the audio. Which language is this song in?
Espanol.
Right.
So guys, round board is very interesting and very simple. Okay? देखते हैं कितना क्रिएटिविटी है आप लोगों में, ठीक है? So now the next word is a bug. Okay, now the 15 seconds on 20 words. Come on, guys. Cheer up, souls. Camera.
Okay, shall we start?
Let's start.
say this. Come on, run.
अच्छा हमें क्या भाग के लाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे सामान?
ये क्या हो?
आरती
अरे
Anita, move on, Anita, but I don't move. I am share a story, but do not talk. एक काम करती हूँ, अगर डिफिकल्ट रहेगा ना तो मैं थोड़ा हिंट दे दूंगी, जैसे आज मैंने दिया न्यूज़पेपर का, थोड़ा हिंट दे दूंगी, ठीक है? Okay. Next question is, I am always running, though I never walk. Sometimes I can sing, but I never talk. I have hands, I have face. Use me to decide your pace.
What? I'm showing it right here. I can't pull it down.
नहीं, but captains really deserve a special gift. Okay, from Calvix. So
My team also. And the opposite team, whosoever wins, they were happy joining the activity.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. So special gifts to the captains and also to the winning team. Of course, जो lose करेगा, it would be a very close thing. But एक ही winner होता है, तो मुझे एक ही करना पड़ेगा.